Chia seeds are one of the ingredients that are distinguished by their beauty, benefits, and that you can introduce into your beauty routine without any hesitation. Chia seeds help lighten skin tone, renew skin cells, and combat aging, thus making the face look fresh, youthful, and radiant. From here, to benefit from chia seeds for the skin, you can prepare several facial mixtures from them that will help you do that. But first, we will introduce you to the benefits of chia seeds for the skin, and then we will tell you how to use them through aesthetic mixtures. Benefits of chia seeds for the skin. Chia seeds are considered one of the most prominent sources of omega-3, which maintains the freshness and softness of the skin. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that contribute to combating skin aging and maintaining youthful skin. The high levels of antioxidants found in chia seeds also contribute to the restoration of damaged skin cells and tissues, thus getting rid of dead skin cells. Chia seeds are considered a food rich in fiber, so they maintain the moisture of the body and skin and combat dryness, which reflects positively on the freshness and hydration of the skin. Chia seed mixtures for the skin. 1. A mixture of chia seeds and honey to whiten the skin. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water. Leave the mixture to rest for 20 minutes until you get a consistent gel. Filter the gel into another bowl. Then add a teaspoon of honey and olive oil to it and mix the ingredients well. Apply the mixture to the body for 20 minutes and rub your face and body with it to remove dead cells. When finished, remove the mixture with lukewarm water. Then wash your face with cold water. Dry your skin with a soft towel. Then apply a moisturizing cream. A mixture of chia seeds and olive oil to tighten the skin. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup of water and leave them for the next day. Drain it from the water and grind it well. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil to it. Apply the mixture to your skin and leave it for 10 minutes. Rinse your skin with warm water. Repeat this mixture twice a week. A mixture of chia seeds and pineapple to increase the freshness of the skin. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup of water and leave it for an hour. Drain the chia seeds. Let them dry a little. Then grind them. Place 3 slices of pineapple in an electric blender and mix well. Mix the pineapple mixture with the ground chia seeds until it becomes a consistent dough. Apply the mixture to the face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash your face well with cold water to get rid of the mixture. Repeat this mixture twice a week to maintain skin freshness. Mix chia seeds and coconut oil to exfoliate the skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to the face and massage for 2 minutes in circular motions. Leave the mixture on the face for 10 minutes. Then wash the skin with warm water. Repeat this mixture once a week. A mixture of chia seeds and flaxseed oil to moisturize the skin. Mix a teaspoon of soaked and ground chia seeds with 4 drops of flaxseed oil and a teaspoon of white honey. Stir the ingredients well and apply them to your facial skin, and leave them for 10 minutes. Wash your face with an appropriate cleanser and rinse your skin with warm water. Apply this mixture once a week. Mix chia seeds and bitter almond oil to improve skin health. Mix 2 teaspoons of soaked chia seeds with a teaspoon of bitter almond oil. Distribute the mixture on your facial skin and leave it for 10 minutes. After the necessary time has passed, Wash the skin well with lukewarm water. Mix chia seeds and yogurt to get rid of dry skin. Beat the whites of 2 eggs well. Then add a cup of yogurt with a tablespoon of chia seed oil. And mix all the ingredients well. Apply the mask to the skin. And leave it for 10 minutes. Rinse the skin with cold water. A mixture of chia seeds and egg whites to tighten the skin and get rid of wrinkles. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup of water. Leave them for the next day. Then strain and grind them. Add an egg white to the mixture. Apply the mixture to your skin and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse your face. And repeat this mixture once a week. Natural recipes to lighten the skin with chia seeds for dry skin care. The components: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons water, half a spoon of starch, 1 teaspoon honey, coconut oil spoon. How to prepare: 1. Soak the chia seeds in water for 10 minutes. 2. Then add the honey and mix them well. Then add the starch and coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients and leave them for an hour in the refrigerator. 3. Distribute the mask on the face and neck. 4. Leave the mask for half an hour. 5. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Skin lightening mask with beneficial chia seeds. The components: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. How to prepare: 1. Soak the chia seeds in water for 10 minutes until they become gelatinous. 2. Add yogurt and lemon juice and mix well. 3. Place the mask on your face and neck for half an hour. 4. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Chia seed mask to treat acne. The components: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon tea tree oil. How to prepare: 1. Soak the chia seeds in water for 10 minutes until they become gelatinous. 2. Add aloe vera gel and tea tree oil and mix well. 3. Distribute the mask on your face and neck, focusing on the areas affected by acne. 4. Leave the mask for 15 minutes. 5. Wash your face with lukewarm water.